Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So in this new series, I'm really excited to share with you some must-have saris from different states of India. It is my dream to own a sari from every state because India is so diverse with its culture, colors, weaves and textiles, and it all reflects in the beautiful attires that we wear. I want to build a wardrobe filled with unique saris, and I have recently added a few to my collection and I just want to share them with you. In today's video, I will be showing you this beautiful cotton silk Mangalgiri sari, and since it's summers, these saris are just perfect. They are great for casual occasions and festivals because they are comfortable and stylish without being too heavy, unlike your traditional silk saris. So let's see how I style it. If you want to know more, keep watching. So Mangalgiri saris originate from the town of Mangalgiri in Andhra Pradesh, India. The lightweight fabric and vibrant colors make Mangalgiri saris ideal for everyday wear and festive occasions alike. This one that I have is in this beautiful maroon and navy blue combination. It's hand woven and it's a cotton silk Mangalgiri sari. You can find them in pure silk and pure cotton as well. They have this distinctive narrow border in either golden or silver zari and these small booties throughout the sari. They have a very simple yet elegant design, and what I absolutely love about this is that it has a silver border and silver booties, which is not very common. I had got this sari from an exhibition in Kolkata, so I am so sorry I cannot share the link with you, but you can find these online on some very reputed websites. It's best to collect these saris when you travel or visit a store that sells authentic saris. So I've styled the sari in 3 different ways. I've also gotten the blouse piece that came with the sari stitched in a very simple pattern with a roundish V front neckline and a square back. I've added the borders to the back and also on the sleeves. And for look number 1, I have used this beautiful silver lookalike choker. It's from my Instagram store and it just looks like real silver, but this is not real silver. This looks so elegant and so beautiful, like you can see. I have also added these beautiful glass Afghan earrings. It has a blue glass and looks very elegant, also from my store. I'm also wearing lots and lots of bangles and a ring. Wearing my current favorite lipstick from MAC. This is in the shade Over the Top and here is the finished look. If you want these pieces, you can DM me on Instagram and I will share the details with you. For look number 2, I have tied my hair up and I am wearing the same blouse. I'm just going to wear a simple watch with a silver band. And for jewelry, I'm going to wear this beautiful Tibetan necklace. It has the same combination as the colors of the sari. This is a very special necklace and this one is also from my store. And since these are very unique and very difficult to source, they are usually available in a single piece. I'm also wearing the matching earrings with the necklace. Wearing a few rings to complete the look. This outfit is perfect for an event at work. If you are a teacher, you can also wear something like this. For look number 3, I'm wearing the Mangalgiri sari with a simple maroon sleeveless blouse. You've seen this blouse in many of my videos and I absolutely love it. It's very useful and I think you should definitely have something like this so that you can pair it with different saris. I'm wearing the same watch. And for jewelry, I'm going to start with a pile, but I'm not going to wear it on my feet, but I'm going to convert it into a necklace and wear it like one. So this is a very useful hack that you can try. If you have your heavy piles that you do not use so often, you can just convert them into necklaces and wear them. You can also layer 2 of them together to make like a very heavy statement necklace, but for this look I think one is enough. I'm wearing the same watch from the previous look, and to finish the look I'm going to add this very special accessory, that is a metal clutch bag. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful one with these ghungroos, and I think this clutch is just perfect with this look. If you have a very special summer daytime occasion, then you can definitely carry a look like this. If you want, you can add earrings. I have just skipped it because I really wanted to draw the focus onto my necklace. So I've skipped the earrings, but you can definitely add silver earrings or and maybe a ring. So that is it. These were the three looks that I came up with using this beautiful Mangalgiri sari. And according to me, it's definitely a must-have in your wardrobe. So if you're looking for lightweight saris to add to your wardrobe, which are not heavy and which can serve two purposes, like you can use it like your regular wear saris and also jazz it up to make it more festive. These saris are also available in a golden border, so you can pick whichever you like and accessorize them differently. So I really hope you like this video, and let me know which saris do you want me to add to my wardrobe. I would really want to know. So I'll have one of these must have sari episodes every week, and I think you don't want to miss these videos, so definitely turn on your bell notifications and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can watch my previous videos right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.